What if I told you there is a centuries-old math shortcut used by Wall Street pros to calculate exactly when your money will double entirely in your head? First documented in 1494 by the father of accounting, Luca Pacioli, and later praised by Albert Einstein, it's called the Rule of 72. Whether you invest in stocks, crypto, or real estate, this single number can predict your financial future in less than 3 seconds. Here is how the magic works. The formula is incredibly straightforward. You just take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual rate of return. The answer you get is the exact number of years it takes for your money to double. Let's look at 3 real examples. First, if you leave your money in a traditional bank savings account, earning a tiny 2% return, divide 72 by 2, it will take a shocking 36 years to double your cash. Second, if you invest in a diversified index fund averaging an 8% return, divide 72 by 8. Your money doubles in just 9 years. Third, if you pull a 12% return from the stock market, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Your wealth doubles every 6 years. This rule works because of the power of compound interest. It shows you that even a small 2 or 3% difference in your interest rate can cut your waiting time by decades. Keep in mind, this rule is just a quick and simple approximation to give you a rough idea, not a 100% exact scientific calculation. So, stop asking how much money you can make tomorrow and start asking what rate of return your money is working at today. Go ahead, look at your investments, divide 72 by your return, and tell me your doubling time in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and let's master the math of wealth together. See you in the next one.